In front of me is BLACKVIEW Tab 16 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Then use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it, and to go back to standard keyboard, click at the top left one. Now to use Clipboard, you need to copy or cut any text. And to paste it, tap on it next to Clipboard icon at the top of your keyboard right away. If you don't want to paste it right away, just click on Clipboard icon and paste it by tapping on it here. If you wish to pin your sentence, use this pen at the top right corner, tap on the chosen one and click on pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. To delete it, tap on the pen again, and this time after clicking on the sentence, use this bin next to the pin. Lastly, to disable Clipboard again, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!